What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Who's my biggest fan? Well, here's a big fan, but it's actually a small fan. It's like a personal fan. Wanted to check this out. It's getting hot. Depending on where you live, it may already be hot. If you're here in the Midwest, man, we've had some really hot days and some really cold days. But I wanted to pick this up. It seemed like an interesting novelty. As you can see here, it's about the size of like a compressed set of headphones. We do have a small micro USB cable here, so you will charge it up. You can see right there, we have a little micro USB cable. It's got this big plastic piece that will go around the back of your neck. It's all rounded and contoured. It's like a cheaper plastic. And then we have a little button right here, which I'm assuming is the power button. There's also a little tiny Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips head screw right there, and a cover. And I'm assuming that's where the batteries will go, probably lithium ion AA's. And then these red silicone arms hold the wires, but they also hold shape. And as you can see here, then we have some ducted fans and covered, and little translucent fan blades that go all the way around. They're kind of like turbine blades, like modern submarines. And you get two of these bad boys. So what you do is you put this bad boy around your neck. You have a giant neck like mine, you gotta slide it in like this. And now I can turn these up and cool my face while I'm sitting around. So let me hit that little button there, see if we've got a little charge in here. Ooh, you hold it down for a second. Ooh, man. You know what's funny? Is I got these kind of as a goof, but they work. They're not super loud, but holy smokes, man, they're cooling me off. And if I hold it down again here, you just long press it, and about 3 seconds, and that turns it on and off. Now if I short press it, ooh, it's lifting me off. I'm just kidding. So you can go from a low, medium, high, and back to low. Let me see if I can show you here. So what we have are these fans, and the button is right here. Where is it? Right there. So when it's on your neck like this, it's right there, which is pretty nice. So if I that's 2, and then 3, back to 1. And if I hold it down, it's gonna go off. Hold it down, it goes on. I tell you, man, it's kind of crazy. Woo! Luke, I am your father. Sucker is works, dude. It's kind of crazy. I mean, as opposed to having a handheld fan, which people still have a lot of, now you don't even need it. Neck held fan. How? Oh man, humans, genius. Listen, if you want to pick up one of these too for the hot summer, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.